Hi traders, just want to give an update to the pound dollar, its key trading levels ahead of the FOMC statement and as well ahead of the UK interest rate decision. So that's all happening in Thursday, early Thursday for the US interest rate decision, and then later into the evening Thursday for the UK interest rate decision. So at the moment on the weekly chart here, we've potentially have a double top here. We've sold down to a lower bottom. This bottom here is lower than the previous two, and we're having a rally here. Is this a corrective rally to put in a lower top at some point? So yes, we've been positive for the week. We've actually traded up to just short of weekly resistance, this old weekly resistance area here at 122.93, and as we move to the day chart, we're actually failing at day resistance. So looking for a lower top to form on that weekly chart. This weekly trend is down. It doesn't change to up until we can break above this double top here. So at the moment, just potentially searching for a lower top to form. So let's drop down to the day chart and have a closer look. Alright traders, onto the day chart. Now I'm just drawing a fib across the range high to low. That's the weekly range, and we're just a fraction short of the 79% retracement level. That's at 123.09 now. With the volatility of the news coming out, we could spike up to 123.09 or the 12300 level. We could come up and test 122.93, the weekly resistance level. But at the moment, we're starting to show a bit of a reversal candlestick pattern here. Railroad tracks, it's not a perfect set, but we had a very strong day up into that level and then we reversed down yesterday. So if the volatility of the news doesn't spike up, then if we do break the low of yesterday, that is potentially starting to confirm a potential reversal up here at daily and weekly resistance. And what I'm anticipating is that we could be topping out over the next few days. That's been the move down on the weekly chart. This is all corrective, and we could be failing at this resistance area for a move back down towards weekly support at 1841 and 1804. Alright, so I'm anticipating we're going to get a failure up here. What is your setup to sell? Of course, it's going to be very volatile over the next 24 hours, but looking for a failure up here. At the start of the week, this high here is pretty much at 12200. If we start to close back below that level over the next couple of trading days, watch 12200 to be resistance for a move back down the range. And finally, if you have the time, why not join me at this evening's live Forex trading webinar where I take you through the 4-hour trade entry. Simply register by using the link in the description below.